This one. This one was in front of me, and it, I don't know.
Well, isn't that a street going off in it? Okay, that's definitely past. But no,
What?
How do people forget to put the kickstand up?
I didn't.
No, I'm saying, how do people forget that?
Oh, I just do. Can you bring your toes back, your feet back just a little bit? That's good.
Thumbs up from everyone! Thumbs up! Thumbs up! Ready?
I am on a 2023 Harley Davidson Road King. First time ever on a Road King. Somebody's making some lo mein noodles. I smell them. This really reminds me right now, just my initial impression is it kind of feels a lot like my Fat Boy, except it's more comfy than my Fat Boy. Oh look, that dude's got the little brake light on his helmet. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. That's interesting. I'll have to keep an eye on that to see if it actually works. I keep reaching for that heel shifter on each one of these bikes. It's definitely not here. But I like this. I like this little... All right, here we go. Right turn, right turn, right turn, right turn, right turn. I like this windshield up here too. Maybe we'll get moving kind of quickly and I'll get to see if it's pushing anything off. Okay, so manual. Manual windshield. I like that. That's still fine with me. Well, I can't find neutral for anything right now. Whatever. We'll just stay clutched. Also, look. Mrs. OMG's with me. I said, say hi.
Hi.
You have to poke your head in. And we're off, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, this is right here is definitely... Oh yeah. It's got some power. What do we got on here? So I hit some of these bumps on purpose just to see how the suspension feels, and the suspension feels great. And this, of course, this little bump right here, boom, that feels great. I didn't feel that in my back at all. We've kind of left half the pack. They're way back there. That's all right. It's a little chilly right now. Put your shirt on, brother. Man, I really like the way this sits. I like the way that the handlebars on this Road King are kind of angled back at you. For me, it's a lot easier on my wrist than bars that are not angled back. But this right here rides and feels like the Fat Boy, except the suspension's better, but it just, the feel of it feels like my Fat Boy to me. I like the Road King. So far, so good. My first experience on the Road King has been pretty awesome. It's downshift. Uh-oh. Brakes. That bad boy came up on us quick. See the bug? See the Beetle?
Yeah, I did.
Mrs. OG loves the Beetle. She wants one so bad.
I think it's familiar this ride.
Be careful when you lean like that. Yeah, it's kind of cold out here. I like this little turn up here. Yeah, that's what I've been wanting to do the whole time. Just kind of get on it and pick up speed. There we go. I'm digging that right there. This thing's got some power. Man, this bike is so well balanced. Even coming out of that corner right there, giving it the throttle, absolutely great. I mean, just so well balanced. I like the Road King. Uh-oh. Jeez Louise. I never thought I'd like the Road King this much. But I do. So look, we're doing 50 miles an hour right now. I'm barely feeling any wind, maybe on the sides of my shoulders, and that's about it. Really and truly, I mean, that's really about it. The sides of my shoulders. Whoop, I just went for my hill shifter again. That's awkward right there when you're used to riding with a hill shifter on a regular basis and there's not one there. Yeah, that's really awkward. This thing is so balanced, guys. I mean, it's just, you just barely push on. I'm just barely counter steering, and this thing's all over the place, all on the bumps right here. Boom, boom. That's good though. Whoop. That's a big one right there. That was a deep one. That was a rim bender. Oh, I was supposed to say, man, I heard a siren somewhere. There it is, right there. Thought I was gonna make it without putting my foot down. Are you liking the breakout? Yeah, man, that thing looks nice. I don't know what this one is, maybe a 114. Uh-oh, rev bomb, here we go. Boom. Rev bombed them, baby. Yeah, I like this. I like this Road King a lot. Why did I do this to myself? I had to debate myself regularly about the road glide versus the street glide, and now I'm having to debate myself about the Road King. See what I did to myself? That's ridiculous. I could be debating myself about this C8 right here. Look how awesome that looks. That's cool. Stall.
So guys, if you haven't watched the focus, then that won't be.
Say bye, Hardy.
Bye, Hardy.
Oh, this is recorded, by the way.
I didn't think it wasn't recorded.
Okay. Just checking.